we're going to be solving linear equations again. In this time, it's not going to be addition and subtraction like the ones we have done before. So it's now multiplication and division. So let me write on top multiplication, and here division. So how do we proceed with this? This is a product, but we want x by itself. The only way we can get x by itself is by divide by the value of the coefficient of x, and the value of the coefficient of x in this case is 6. So whatever is this value which is in front of the x, by that value is what you will divide. So let's start. Divide both sides by 6, because 6 is the value that we need to divide by. So we write 6x over 6 equals 60 over 6. These two 6's will cancel with each other, giving us x is equals to 10. That was our solution. Now let's prove that this is true. We'll do a back substitution. What do we do first in back substitution? We write over the equation, which is that 6x equals 60. And since x is equals to 10, we substitute 10 there, and that will give us 60. And 6 times 10, that's 60 equals 60. So your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. So we're finished with that one there. Now let's go with the one where we have division. Notice that in division there's a value below the x, so we need to get rid of that value because we want x by itself. The only way we can get rid of this value is that if we multiply by its reciprocal, or by whatever is below it. Okay, so we're gonna now say, because it's division, we do the reverse. So we say now multiply both sides by 5. And why 5? Because that's the value which is below the x. So we put x over 5 times 5 equals 4 times 5. These 5's will cancel with each other. Expand that a little bit. Those will expand, cancel with each other, and then that will give us x is equals to 20. Now let's prove it by back substitution. Remember, substitution is not mandatory, but I'm encouraging that you do it so you can be assured that your answer is correct. Okay, so what is the value of x? 20. So you put 20 over 5 equals 4. That's 4 is equals to 4. So your left hand side is equals to your right hand side. Okay, so that's our solution. So what have we done? We have been able to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You may now try the problems that follow.